To print a standard print that has cut and score lines, you go to the big A, print. If this pops up, just hit continue. And then the printer you have to select is the one without the hyphen. Then you will go to properties, custom properties. You need to tell it what size, so 24 by 12, keep it on vector. Then go to color mapping. Color mapping should be done. If it's not, follow the steps in the PowerPoint to set it up to look like this, but you always want to check to make sure it's just there. And then hit OK, OK, OK. You will then set up your window from the far extents of your piece of wood. Uncheck fit to paper, custom size is 1:1, and then make sure it has the 3006 AutoCAD settings. It should. And then I always hit preview and make sure that it's lined up like this. This is kind of what it should look like. You can hit escape on your keyboard to get out of that, and then you hit OK, and it will send it to the printer, and you can print it.